Pygmy falcons may be the smallest raptors in Africa, but they're also one of the most aggressive. Their first offensive involves screaming to intimidate the snake. But he's not deterred. Finally, an all-out assault. That's quite enough for the cobra. The reason why the pygmy falcons are so defensive of the weaver nest is because they too are raising their family here, right in the middle of the colony. It's not easy for the sociable weavers to accept this forced cohabitation, as the falcons will occasionally eat a chick. But the benefits far outweigh the costs. Not all alliances are perfect, but when you're small, unity certainly